My friends and how we like to wake up in slow motion, think about the things we never do.
Hello and welcome to the 30-hour review. Today we're going to be taking a look at Blue Demon's auto darkening welding lens. This guy is not recommended for TIG. It says it right on the front of the package. Just want to reiterify that right now at the very beginning of this. Other than that, it is a fantastic lens to use while stick welding and MIG welding. I personally got to use this at L&M right before I had to leave. I had this in my good old-fashioned pipeliner, and that's my work hood. I didn't have to worry about having like my expensive lenses or a nice helmet there. I didn't care if it got rained on. It's just a very good work lens. Clarity on it's wonderful. Let's jump into some arc shots.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Welcome back, guys. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment for the 30-hour review. Huge shout out to Blue Demon on my new favorite welding hood. Come back next week so we can check it all out together.